Right, folks, this is the solution to number 42. It's got fractions. It does look a bit scary. The instructions are solve it using substitution method. Okay, so if we did that, we then jump this way onto the formula here. So I've just done the solution here. So I've written out their formulas, and you notice I've just pushed everything to one side. So I've had done some rearranging for equation 2 and equation 3. Just confirm that, wrong way, sorry. So that's become what? X minus Y minus Z, and I've just pushed this over here. And that's what you're looking at. And I saw this and thought, hang on, this is stop. Don't necessarily put it to 0, actually. Let's put it X equals, and we've actually got it down to this expression here. We've actually got it looking at what? X equals 3/5 Z. Now you could go decimals. Up to you. Okay. Right, what am I doing now? I'm going to push this up here. I'm going to then substitute X equals 3/5 Z into equation 2. And that gives me this. Okay, so we're looking at here. 3/5 Z is X minus Z. So 3/5 minus 5 over 5. That gives you negative 2/5 Z. And then we get this expression. So we're rocking on here. We've got X equals that in terms of Z. Y equals this in terms of Z. So my thought then is to go back to here and plug it all into equation 1. And by doing that, what's going to happen? Got a bit of work here. Sorry about the noise next door, but they're my year 13s. And we get a value for Z equals 20. And once we have Z equals 20, we can go back up there. We can work out what X is. X is 12, and Y is negative 8. And so the solution set as it reads, X, Y, Z is 12, negative 8, 20. Let's test this. Go right back to here. And I've plugged it into equation 2, and it works out well. Hey, you could also test it by putting these 3 equations into GeoGebra and obviously plugging in that point. And this point here will appear right at the intersection of the 3 planes.